Good morning, everyone. And as always, thanks again for tuning in. A huge thank you to DeAnn Ellis with Element Loans. She has been willing today to come in and chat with us a little bit about her service and what her team does in South Carolina and Georgia. So I was introduced to her by a local new home builder and was super intrigued by some of the programs her company currently offers, specifically the Zero Down Flex program. And one of the things, Ian, that further increased my sense of urgency in connecting with you is that I've got several family members and friends that live in the Atlanta area whom I kind of refer them out to some of my referral partners there. And they are always looking for a great lender. So I was super excited to know that you service my area in South Carolina, but also Georgia. So I would like to turn over the floor to you and let you share a little bit about your team and the Zero Down Flex option.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
Again, my name's DeAnn Ellis. I'm with Element Home Loans, and I've been with Element for 14 years. I have been in the mortgage industry, though, for 30 years. So I have seen a little bit of everything.
You know a little bit then, don't you?
Yes, yes. I absolutely love my job, and I love helping people become homeowners and achieving their dreams. So I'm consistently trying to find new products and things like that to further help people be able to qualify. But my team is located in Georgia, but we are licensed in Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, Alabama, Tennessee. And I have 4 loan officers on my team. I have 2 assistants, a marketing director, a processor, and an underwriter and closer. So we're kind of your one-stop shop. We do everything in-house. We're a direct lender, so we don't broker these loans out, which means I have 100% control over the loan.
Awesome.
So a little bit about our 101.5% flex product. It is an FHA loan. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer, and you have to have a 660 credit score. There's not a debt to income limitation overlay. Typically on FHA, you can go up to a 56 debt ratio. If the computer will take it, of course, we have to run it through an automated underwriting system. But there's no income limits on this loan. And how it works is we finance a 5% second mortgage. Of the 5%, 3.5 is the down payment, and the other 1.5 can go towards your closing cost. If you choose to utilize the whole 5% towards your down payment, you absolutely can do that as well. And the rate is marketable rates. You know, rates change every day, several times a day. So there's not just a set rate, but it is a marketable rate. It's not a higher interest rate. It's an amazing product for people that, you know, can afford the home, but perhaps they want to limit their cash to close.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing, like especially like in this current market where it's like, man, I can afford the mortgage payment, but I may not have as much cash on reserves to be able to put up front for, your down payment. And then in addition to that, closing costs. So I think it's a great benefit to be able to offer some things that may be a little bit outside of the box, but that can help them actually potentially purchase the home and get into the home sooner than later.
Absolutely. Yeah. And if they're comfortable with a house payment, that second mortgage can be paid off at any time. So if they're comfortable with a house payment, they qualify for it. It is an absolute great option. Again, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer, and there's no income limits.
That's awesome. So what are you seeing as far as in what price range are the biggest need or the interest for this option?
I think we're seeing it anywhere between, I would say 350 to 450 is what we're
Okay.
really seeing consumers utilizing this product. Of course, keep in
Okay.
mind, it can be whatever the loan limit is for FHA for that county. You can
Okay.
go up to that. But it's really for anyone
Yeah.
that again that does not go over that county loan limit, the ceiling for FHA.
Okay. Awesome. So if I've got some clients who are interested in reaching out and finding out a little bit more details about the program, how can they reach you?
Yeah, certainly. So they can contact our office at 855 Element, or they can visit us online at ellismortgageteam.com. They can call the 855 Element. We have team members that are happy to answer any questions that they may have. If they'd like to go ahead and go online and apply, it's a very simple process, streamlined process, and we do same day pre-approvals.
Awesome. That's good. And then the other question would be, this product is both for, and I know you clarified you don't have to be like a first time home buyer, but this is for whether it's existing homes, new construction. Okay.
Absolutely,
Just
and the
gotta,
seller can pay up to 6% towards closing cost on this. So,
okay.
if there is a new construction home and they have a big builder, bonus on it or something, or if the seller simply just wants to kick in some extra closing costs, we can go up to 6% of the purchase price.
Okay. Awesome. Well, this is great news and I appreciate you coming on board and we will be in touch.
Yes, thank you
And
so much.
absolutely have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.